Magna-nails na ako ulit. Malapit na. I-schedule ko lang. Bago mag-end of month. Guys, ayan pala si Malorena Ribustal Sumako. Nagpapa-home service ako sa kanya lagi ng nails. Para hindi na rin ako lumalabas. Tsaka ang mahal din kasi sa iba eh. Siya gumagawa ng nails ko guys. Kaya ang ganda ng nails ko. Wait. Gusto ko makita yung ano. Ano bang maganda dito sa natin, sa Battle Pass ng Dota ngayon? What if, Danix, what if pumunta si Tofu ng Sibyl in the future? Naku, malabo yan mangyari. Makikita nyo guys ang hindi nyo makikita. Mapupunta talaga si Tofu. Saan makikita yung mga ano? Yung mga parang ano, yung team ano? Yung mga team... Tingnan natin guys. Baka maka-copyright, wait lang. Saan makikita yung parang team guys? Na ano? Dito rin ata yun eh. Sa ano eh, Battle Pass eh. Fantasy, participate. Bingo. May bingo. Talent. Ayun! Ito, supporters club. Aurora. Tingnan nga natin Aurora. Go Aurora. Okay. Okay. Siyempre, gaming gladiator tayo. Yung sticker! Yung stickers dito po. Ang cute. Ang astig naman. Parang, kamukha niya yung sa ano. Yung anime sa, ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko na. Si Topo daw nagsalita nito eh. Si Quinto. Pero gusto ko yung sa Pinoy eh. Gusto ko rin yung sa Pinoy. Ito. Wait lang medyo malakas yung in-game sounds natin. Yan. Yan. Astig, no? Oh, Tokyo Revenger. Oh, kamukha nga niya, no? Ayos nga, no, guys? Kamukha niya. Gusto ko to eh. Listen, look, and listen, learn. Ito, guys, maganda to. Yung sa talon. Pero, talon yung gagamitin ko. Pero, bibili tayo ng gaming gladiator pang spray. Titingnan ko kung gising pa yung pagbibilhan ko ng ano. Tingin ko kung gising pa siya. Magta-top up tayo. Sana online pa para makabili tayo. Oo, yung Tokyo Revengers kamukha. Mag-try lang tayo ng levels. Pakita ko sa inyo live yung mga pwede nating Ang hirap naman mamili. can you do? Team Falcons. Extreme Game. Yan dito si Ame, guys. Team Spirit. Bakit nagmipo lang sila? Dapat inano na lang nila si si Queen dito. Ano din kukunin ko yung Aurora. Ang dami ko namang kukunin. Pogi kasi niyan Wala na guys, hindi na nag-reply sa atin si Tofu kasi busy na siya at malapit na rin ang TI. Angas ng full bangs. Di pa, tulog na ata guys yung pagbibilhan natin ng ng Steam Wallet. Wala yung pagbibilan natin ng Steam Wallet Tulog piniem ko na May discount kasi doon guys kapag nakabili. 1,680. Sana mag-reply. Ayoko! 5K din yun. Tapos yung discount 1,000 di 4K Steam Wallet, di ba? Gusto ko lang sana makuha ito, yung parang bagong HUD. Parang mga bagong Tara, muna tayo, laro muna tayo. Testing muna natin tong bagong hero. Ayan. Testing talaga sa rank match, bagong hero. Patayin ko muna yung sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig Alam ko kasama yan. Kasama yung map. Pag bumibili ka talaga ng Battle Pass, pati yung mga parang design, layout, kasama yon. Game. Laban na tayo. Huwag niyong ibaban yung Ringmaster. Pag-aaralan ko yan. Hard support pa tayo. Ringmaster. Ay, putang ina mo, binaban. Ba't naman binaban? Binan guys So na lang tayo? Abaddon. Abaddon. Ay, putang ina, na double pick pa. No choice. Willow muna tayo, guys. Pero sawang-sawa na ako sa Willow Ayoko na talaga nito Sige. Kulit lang bangs mo. Nag-aaway-away yung bangs ko, guys. Yaman nyo na yan siya. Hi, Nobuyuki! Hello! Salamat sa pag-drop by dito sa stream. Ay, dapat pala nag-ano ako, no? Oh, bida yan. Baka willow ng munggo yan. Mamaya guys, dapat kasi di nila binaban yung ano, yung ring master na yan eh. Double down tayo.
We're going on a little field trip, Jix. This one's in the back. What are we waiting for?
Oo, double lockdown agad. Gusto kong gamitin. Sawang-sawa na ako dito sa ano. Willow, sa CM. Dapat pala nag-tinker ako. Tinker.
Let's find something to steal.
Alam nyo, meta din ngayon yung Abaddon talaga. Sarap niyang gamitin.
Time to
Support.
get into trouble.
Lakas niya mga bosset eh.
Let's see where the road takes us. Don't mind me. Just a wee fairy going about her business. I'll prove I'm the best. Let's fly.
Jakiro, pwede din.
Over here. Time to be trouble. On my way. Let's get moving.
Ba't ayaw nila mag-first blood? Awit sa'yo.
I won't lie. That was unexpected. I'm always on the move.
Hindi, ano na ako, stick na talaga ako, pos 4, pos 5. Dati na akong ano, carry. Guys, sa Dota 1 pa lang.
No time.
Revisit ako dito eh. Sige.
Let's go, Jix.
Ay, shoutout sa'yo, Mal Victoria. BFF ni Chick Cuenca. Daw.
Come on, Jix. My time has come.
Kulit naman ito.
Here we go. Let's find something to steal. Move. Mischief awaits. The sooner we're out of here, the better. I think a little mischief's in order. Time to move. Time is on your side.
Oh, talaga yan.
I'll prove I'm the best. Time to get out of here. I can take care of myself. Can't stay here. Here we go. I'm going.
Gago, hinahabol talaga ako.
You should run. Jix, what do you say we go introduce ourselves? I'm gonna have fun with you. Showtime. A little mischief never killed anyone. We're going on a little field trip, Jix. You ready for shenanigans? Let's fly. to move. What are we waiting for? You're not walking away. Time to be. Let's get moving.
Ramdam ko na yung pagtanda ko, sumasakit na yung ano ko, kamay ko.
This one's mine, Jack. Let's see where the road takes us.
Ah, nagbabag nga. Hindi gumagana yung chat wheel ko. Dark wheel ba to ng Etibak? Parang sawa ako dito eh. Gago, naglolo ko na naman. Ah.
Time to get into trouble. No time to dilly-dally. Let's see where the road takes us. This place was boring anyway.
Kuha na.
Let's go, Jix. Let's find something to steal.
Gigripuhan ba pag nag-bramble?
My time
Wait
is
lang guys ha.
Mischief awaits. We're going on a little field trip. Over here! Retreat to shadows. Not so far. You're on the clock, Cloud. Sooner we're out of here, the better. I need help.
Naku po, nag-TC.
On my way.
DC din! Nagro-rollback naman din ako guys. Pero I want something new. Maybe Tinker. Ganon yan. Gusto ko siyang i-master. Tinker. Or gusto ko na mag-phosphor. Phosphor tayo sa susunod. Putang ina mo.
Stop some shenanigans. Stay in one place too long.
Putang ina.
This isn't over.
Kaka-cooldown lang din ng ano ko. Bag talaga pag bagong pad. Yeah.
Jax, would you say you find who did that and rip their eyes out? Come on, Jax. Let's see where the road takes us. What are we waiting for? Let's keep a lookout. You or me? Mischief awaits.
You're a beautiful person with a charming personality.
Let's fly. No one can stop us. Time to move. Moving. Don't take too much time. No one can stop us. Let's find something to steal. for shenanigans?
The tower is under attack. The diaglyph is now active.
Here we go.
The enemy attacks your middle tower. Radiant fortified their structures against attack.
Time to be troubled. Top is missing. Let's get moving. A little mischief original. Well, this is going swimmingly, ain't it, Jax? Can't stay here. I'll prove I'm the best. No time to dilly-dally. I'm going. My time has come.
Sobrang bading naman itong Ursa.
Time to get into trouble. No time to dilly-dally.
Bading ng Ursa, sobrang bading. Putang ina.
Okay, I see how they want to play.
Putang ina kasi salo ng ice pat eh. Putang ina eh. Widdy purse, widdy purse. Ay putang ina mo, wag.
We're going on a little field trip, Jax.
Attacks your top
I'm
tower.
going.
Gusto mo ba?
Time to move.
Your top tower is under attack. Long has that tower
I'll prove I'm the best.
Dapat pala nagtipin, sumama na ako dun sa ano.
For shenanigans? Time to get into trouble. Moving. Let's go, Jax. Here we go. Time to be troubled. Come on, Jax.
Putang ina talaga ng Ursa. Di marunong pumasok kasi. Di siya
The world, that's the best that God can do. See where the road takes us.
bading, putang inang carry to, napakabading.
What are we waiting for? Can't stay here. Run.
Your middle tower is defending itself.
I'm full of surprises.
0-3 na yung carry namin.
Jeff never
Tumangan
told
eh.
anyone. On my way.
Kaya pa natin to eh. Kaya ko yan patayin solo.
My time has come.
You were doing very well. I'm very proud of you.
Putang ina, ano yun?
What are we waiting for? Here comes a couple small.
Patay ka, king ina mo! Tang ina.
Let's get moving.
Ah! Putang ina!
Overzealous.
Warded dun. Sorry. My bad, guys. Bobo nung ano. Kaya rin.
Radiant structures are fortified. To your bottom tower.
Napakabading nung Ursa. Kaya namin bugbog-bugbogin yan eh. Yung ano, yung... Jakiro. Sumakit yung ulo ko.
Alright, Jax. Let's get some revenge. Regenerate. See where the road takes us. We'll train the Lily Valley.
Tower faces a terrible test.
Can't do that yet.
Now
I'll prove I'm We're going on a little field trip.
faces a terrible test.
Tara, sige, push natin.
I'm going.
The enemy attacks your middle tower. Your middle tower is no more.
Got to go. And
Napapansin nyo ba guys na hindi na dede-ward yung ward dito? Mas maganda mag-ward dyan pag nagano.
let's fly.
Ay, putang ina mo. Nakalapag pa. Nakalapag pa tayo ng ulti. Para ma-delay lang ito lang.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. More territory is right for bottom tower is under attack. Where radiant life is dropped. The enemy attacks your bottom tower.
Come on, Jax. Here we go.
Putang ina! Please. Bakit nyo inuna?
Let's
Wala palang vision. Ba't gumago doon?
see where the road takes us. Time to be trouble. A little mischief never killed anyone.
Bigyan natin sila ng vision.
Time to move.
Uy!
Right. On my I'm always on the move. That mask will fetch a high price. Time to get into trouble. No time to dilly-dally. Here we go.
Ako na lang. Diwag.
Oh, they're not gonna be expecting this. Time to get into trouble.
To your bottom tower.
Time to be trouble.
Ano bang magandang item? Siguro ano tayo?
Going. Alright, what do you think? You're not ready for this. Your reputation on them? Sure. Let's get moving.
Kagalims na ata ako, diretso, no?
Time to move.
De.
We're going on a little field trip, Jix. Moving. Let's see where the road takes us. Got to go.
Hindi ko maklik yung ano niya. Nagbabag pa rin ata. Ito.
Look to your top tower.
Let's go, Jix.
Muntik nang may tumama. Gago. Force stop nga ako. What? Ba't naka-TP pa yun? Kahit na root na?
Come on, Jix. You think I don't know how to fight? Time to move. Here we go.